All right, students, so we're going to do a quick video on the borda count method. And this was created by that guy that we just saw. This guy, his name is Jean-Charles Borda, and he was in the late 1700s. So in this method, and we've looked at this before, this is just that method where you actually add weighting to each vote. So for example, 1 point, the last place votes get 1 point, the second to last place votes get 2 points, and the third place and so forth. So let's look at an example. So let's look at best Owen Wilson movies. So 46 people were asked, what is Owen Wilson's best movie? And the candidates were Armageddon, Grand Budapest Hotel, You and Me Dupree, and Zoolander. All great movies. Well, I don't know about You and Me Dupree, but anyway, all very good movies. So here's the preference table. 12 voters picked You and Me Dupree, then Zoolander, then Grand Budapest Hotel, then Armageddon. Then say these 4 voters picked Zoolander first. These 10 voters picked Zoolander first, then Grand Budapest Hotel, then Armageddon, then You and Me Dupree. So how it works is this first place vote would get 4 points. The second place vote would get 3 points. Third place would get 2 points, and fourth place would get 1 point. So we're going to create a weighted table, and here's what it would look like. I know this is very, very confusing to look at, but what it is 12 voters here for You and Me Dupree get 4 points. So 12 times 4 equals 48. 5 times 4 is 20. 4 times 4 is 16, and so forth. And then you have to just find all of the A's, right? All of the Armageddons, and add up all of the points. So they got 36 and 24 and 12 and 10 and 20 and 12. And then you just add them all up. Whoop, didn't want to write on that. Add them all up right here, and you get 114 points for Armageddon. And then 106 for Grand Budapest, 116 for You and Me Dupree, and then 112 for Zoolander. So in that case, Zoolander is the winner. But I wanted to show you a different way to look at it. And we did this in Excel, actually. So we rearrange all of the preference table by movie, right? So all of the A's. So the A's got 15 first place votes. And this is the great thing about spreadsheets, is you can do this very easily in a spreadsheet. Armageddon got 4 second place votes, 15 third place, and 12 fourth place votes. So if you go back to that original table, here, you can see that, right? So you just figure out all of the Armageddon votes. So 15 here, 15 first place votes, 4 second place votes, 5 plus 10, 15 third place votes, and 12 fourth place votes. So those are the points. And make sure that you get all of the votes tallied up, because otherwise you might miss some. So I have 46 votes for first place, second place, third place, and fourth place. So that makes sense. So if I go ahead and multiply each of those columns by the point total, right? So I'm going to multiply 4 times 15, 3 times 4, 2 times 15, 1 times 12. I'm going to get this. And then it's really easy just for me to add it all up. And then you can see 124 points for Zoolander. So Zoolander is the winner. What's the big problem with borda count? Well, the major flaw is actually whoever receives the majority of first place votes could actually lose this type of election. And we saw this in the Cy Young voting a couple years ago. One of the Cy Young candidates actually lost, even though having the majority of the first place votes. So that is a flaw. And again, it is often used in athletics voting, NCAA sports, and a variety of things. So anyway, I hope this helps, and please let me know if you have any questions.